4, 3, 2, 1, watch me. Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up, level up.
I'm going to use Scott Barnes number 65 brush.
Perfect.
And it's amazing because it really allows you to toast the edges. So which color should we use? I usually, well, whenever I'm more pale, I mix carved with sliced. But today, I might have to just go with sliced and even mix it with diced.
What I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna do sliced and chiseled.
Ooh, I love that.
Yeah. And we're just gonna go in.
Oh yeah. First I like to tap. Wow. Look at this.
Ooh, love it. So do you honestly recommend the brushes?
I really do.
Okay.
I really do. Like this brush, actually this brush, we didn't talk about this one yet. Number 60, I use this for my cut crease.
Ooh.
It's ideal for it. I know that Scott uses it for lips, but because it's kind of half a circle, it just gives it that perfect control.
Perfect. I'm so excited. I really get it.
This one, number 59, is just perfect for anything in the world. And these are really good too. In fact, I have 2 of them, so I'll give you one of them to use for when we do eyes.
Perfect.
Because they're clean. I washed them. And I know underneath here, what I've seen Scott do in some of his other videos is he goes a little bit warmer, like almost with the hashtag shade. Shade.
Don't be shady.
So now we're just going to marry everything together with a clean brush.
And this is gonna soften the edges.
I love that. Toasting the edges. We are going to use the Scott Barnes, and I like this name. It's called Chic Cheek.
Ooh, cute.
Look at these colors.
I'm in love.
Everything. Mango Fizz is, I think, Scott's favorite.
Yeah, Mango Fizz, Strike a Rose, Minimalist.
And I love these
Showy.
Glowy and Showy. I love the amplifiers because
Yes.
they add that little sparkle.
Yes, and we're gonna add that too to be even more glowy.
And I like to put it pretty high up. And whenever the brush is almost clean, that's when I take it a little bit in.
I'm just gonna mix both of the highlighters that comes on the Chic palette.
Oh wow, and it just kind of extends the highlight.
I feel like I went to the beach.
Next, what Scott does is he takes this brush, number 59, or any flat angled brush,
Okay.
and he dips it into the Scott Barnes, which he doesn't show in the video, but I'm pretty sure this is what he does. He puts it into the contour palette, and he lines the lips again with this.
I think this is the best way to keep your lipstick on all day.
Also for older clients too. If they're worried about the lipstick feathering, it's not going to feather after this. And you know this contour, or at least as of today, which maybe hopefully by the time this video comes out, hopefully it's not the case, but it's sold out, the contour palette. But what I want to tell you is it's absolutely worth waiting on because there's nothing like this on the market.
And when we mean nothing, we're makeup artists, so we've tried
everything.
Everything, and this is literally one of a kind.
Okay. And next, we're just going to top this off with a lip gloss.
Yes. I think I want a little bit more glow, like a little bit more highlight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the highlighter palette by Scott Barnes.
Yes.
And I'm going to go in with my ring finger and I'm going to go in. What is this? Pink Crush? Okay. I'm going to go with Pink Crush, a little bit of Sugar Rush. And I'm just going to put it in the middle. So that'll give me the illusion that it's way glossier than what it actually is.
See, and because mine is already so glossy, can I do it if my lips are already very glossy?
Yes, look, it just gives that metallic finish.
I love that. Ooh. Oh yeah. We're popping. We're gonna use Scott Barnes.
So I'm gonna go with Sculpt. It's the darkest brown in this shade in the palette.
Okay.
So
and I'll start with matched and diced. Yeah, he never goes too heavy on the brows. He lets the natural effect come into play. And then here, just kind of go up and down motion.
With my brows, they're kind of already pretty thick. So I just usually fill in the areas that I need to.
I know, you're lucky. So I will do the same. I'll use this little gel. It's a little bit lighter brown and just set everything in place. And I'm so excited to work on our eyes.
Yes. Finally, I'm excited. Even though I would go out just like this. I love this.
I think I actually would too.
Just a little bit of mascara.
It looks so good.
Or false lashes and
you're set.
we're done.
We're natural. Okay. Now we're gonna further chisel our jaw just like Scott Barnes.
Yes.
Especially if you wear black. And what are we wearing? Black.
Oh yes, we are wearing black.
So it's right underneath. Right underneath. Look at that.
Boom, look at that.
Boom. Let us know if you've tried to recreate his look.
Yes, follow the steps that we're doing too because it's so much fun.
Now we're going to take a big brush. We're going to dip into the Scott Barnes beautiful powder that has a little bit of a shimmer, a little sheen to it. And we're going to blend it all together. And the cool thing is, I know it's been step after step, but when we look at ourselves, it's still very natural.
It is very.
Like, it actually does not look cakey. Doesn't look overdone.
I know it's a lot of makeup, you guys, but the key is to make it look like it's not that much. So that is the goal.